This is a Blender Python tutorial where we'll go over the code of creating this animation loop. And at the end of the video, I'll share some of the ways that you can modify the code to get different results. Hey, I'm Victor Stepanoff. I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. Let's get started. To save time, we'll be using some helper code to start iterating on the script right away. To get this helper code, I provided a link in the description under Start Code. Open that link in any browser, navigate to Raw, copy the code, go back into Blender, and let's open the scripting workspace and hit New right here, and then paste in the code that you just copied. Let's right away save project so our work is saved. So find a place where you want to save this. Hit save as, and we're ready to go. This helper script will clean the scene each time we run the script. This script also will add a light, a camera, and an empty to track, so the camera can track that empty. Another thing that this script will do, it will enable the extra curves add-on. So if you navigate to the preferences, add-ons, and search for extra, and right here you can see the extra curve objects. So this gives us the ability to add more curves through the add menu, and we're going to be doing this, we're going to be enabling this through the Python code. So let's actually, I can even show you, it's right up here. This code right here is going to enable that extra curve add-ons. If you hit Shift A and look under curves right now before running the script, you can see that there's only like 5 options here. And after we run the script, not only the scene will be clean and we have a light and a camera, we'll also be able to add more curves into the scene. So let's run the script right now. All right. As you can see that we have a light, we have a camera that is tracking this empty right here, and everything was cleared from the scene. And as well, if I hit Shift A and look under the curves, now you can see you have a whole list of curves that we can play around with. All right, one of the curves that we'll be using in this animation is a torus spiral. So we can add that into the scene by hand first, and then just copy the code. So I'm going to hit Shift A, look under curves, and I'm going to look for curve spirals and torus right here. All right, let's take a closer look. Right here on the bottom left, we'll have a menu that we could use to customize. So we can actually start modifying this, and this will generate Python code that we'll use with the parameters that we set right now. So I'm going to set the turns to 15. I'll set the steps to like 64. I'm going to not show in edit mode because we don't want that. We want cyclic, and I'll set the curves to 4, like so. All right, so as you can see, we have this right here. That's what we're going to be using in this animation. So let's go back, and in the info panel down below right here, we already have some code that will help us to create this animation. So let's just copy that and go and right under create centerpiece, let's just paste in this code. Let's check that we have all the parameters that we want. Yeah, and as you can see, we don't have any extra ones, so that's good. You can also, if you want, you can copy this into the interactive Python console and hit tab to get a list of possible parameters that you can pass in to this function. All right, so let's, actually I'm just going to move this by hitting G and just moving it like so. So when we run the script, you can see that it'll generate a new one in place of it. All right, let's run the script. And you can see that the camera is placed back in its place with the light, and we have this curve to work with. I'll modify slightly the formatting of this call right here. I want to just make it a bit more readable. Again, you don't have to do this. This is all just in my opinion that this could be read more easily. And I'm going to create a variable curve and assign and use the active object helper function. And you can find this helper function above in the helper functions, just like search for this. Well, actually, you know what? Let's just search. I'm gonna hit Control F and then paste this, and then hit this wrap right here so we can wrap the search from the top. I'm gonna hit Find Next, and right here you go. Here is that function that we're using. All right, so let's just scroll back way to the bottom, and let's make sure to rerun the script and make sure that everything still works. All right, that looks like it's working. Let's start organizing our code and add a function that just adds this particular curve. So let's call it def creates base curve. And let's just call, I just move this by cutting this by hitting Control X and pasting it in here. Then let's return the active object. And we're just going to call this like so. And let's rerun the script. All right, so after moving that into a function, now we can kind of read the main create centerpiece function in an easier way, right? So if I comment this out by adding a hash character, this won't get added. So we're just gonna, oh yeah, actually there's something needs to be in the body of the function. Right now there's nothing. If there were other statements in the function, this wouldn't be an error, but since there isn't, I like removed the last call. Now it like gives it an error. So if I just run it again, now you can see there's nothing getting added. Let's add this back and then run it again, and as you can see, this still works. All right, next we will need to add a profile curve to our primary curve right here. And we're going to use an arc, and we're going to not show it in edit mode. The end angle will be 180. And yeah, so that should work. Let's go into the info panel down below right here. After adding the curve, we got the code. Let's copy this. And actually, you know what? Let's copy this function right here, because let's just create a function right away for the profile curve. All right, so that's profile. Let's copy this code. Let's remove these location align. Let's make it a bit more readable. Let's scale this down. I'm going to multiply this by 0.1, and let's return this like so. And let's call it right here. So let's just copy this function call. Like so, and let's rerun the script. And now if you look into the center of the scene, we have this right here. Let's assign this profile curve by hand first. So let's select the main curve right here, go into the curve properties, and we'll go into geometry, and then let's use an object and then use this arc. All right, you can see right away that we already have something going on. That is interesting. That's great. All right, let's go into the info panel again. Again, remember when we do something in Blender, most of the things will be added into the info panel right here. I'm underlining the most part because not everything will get added here, unfortunately, but there's other ways we could figure that out. Okay, let's add this profile right here. So instead of using BPY context object and data, let's just replace this with this variable that is pointing at the same, or referencing at the same object. All right, and instead of using this, this is exactly what we did with this. So we're going to reference the profile curve we created here. So let's actually comment this out. Let's run script. Nothing, no profile curve is added. Let's remove the comment, run it again. And also we need to select the object mode right here. So for the bevel, right? So this needs to get added as well. All right. So let's do that again. Let's clear this. Let's run it. Nothing gets applied. Let's remove the comment. Let's run it, and now you can see that the profile gets set to the arc that we created. Let's add a final touch to this primary curve. We're going to add a modifier, and we're going to use the solidify like so. So if you can take a closer look, now we have like this slightly thicker edge right here. And again, we can just copy that code that adds the solidify modifier and just add it right here. All right, now let's clean up this code. Let's select this and just create a new function that will create the primary curve. So we're going to be passing in a profile curve into this, right? And let's call it create primary curve. And we're going to create a curve here and then return that curve. So it doesn't really matter how we name this variable. I'm just going to call it primary curve, just to show that you can have different variable names. And we're going to call this instead of this right here. And just call it primary curve, like so. All right. Let's again check that everything's working. Without this does not get generated. With this, we get this curve with bevel object and a profile object and the solidify modifier applied. Now we can add a material to this curve. So if I hit Z and then select material preview, there is no material assigned to this, as you can see. And we are going to be using some helper functions to speed up that process. And we have this create metal material that we're going to use. And we can just paste this in right here. So this returns material, a reference. And again, we have another helper function above. It's called apply material. Here it is right here. So we're going to use that to apply the material that we created. Again, just trying to save some time by using these helper functions. Let's rerun this script, and you can see that now we have this material getting applied. So each time we run it, by the way, it selects a random color as the base color. Okay, now let's create the curve that will be emitting light. So the emissive curve in the middle of this primary curve. And we're gonna do that by just copying this code right here and slightly tweaking it. So this will be the curve. We don't need the profile curve. So let's call it like that. So curve. Instead of the metal material, we'll just use the emissive material. Again, you could check that code out, what it's doing. So I'll paste it in right here. So emissive material, let's just rename this variable for consistency. So let's run this script. And actually, yeah, we need to first call this. So call it right here. And you can see this curve is getting added, but we don't have anything applied, so no thickness to it. Let's fix that, and let's go into again the geometry and set the depth right here to 0.1. Oh, actually that's too much. So 0.01. All right, I think that's much better. All right. So now we need to copy that code that sets this bevel depth, and we're gonna just replace this. And let's rerun the script, and you can see that now we have our scene right here. And if you're learning something new or just enjoying this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button. This will be a big help to me. All right, now we need to find a way to animate this bevel object in this on this primary curve. So if you go into the edit menu by hitting tab, and then looking under this mean tilt, and if you start playing around with this, you could see that there's this rotation going on that we want to animate. All right, if you set this to some value, like so, and if we go back into the info panel, you can see that nothing gets added there, right? So this is one of the things I was mentioning, that not everything gets added into the info panel. But I've figured out how to animate this, and here's the code for that. Let's go in to the create primary curve function, and right below, let's get all the points. So we'll need to get access to all the points in this currently active spline. So points, and we're going to use this primary curve object. Then in data spline active, then points. All right. So now we need to loop over these points, and then insert a keyframe at the first frame, then modify the tilt, and insert another keyframe at the very end of our animation. So we'll need to use the math module to get the radians. So we want to do a 360 rotation. And we'll need to insert at the very end of our animation, right? And actually, let's exit out of this edit mode. let's modify this workspace to have a timeline. So the last frame is 360. So let's actually just do it for now by hand. We'll modify this in just a second. So I think this is correct. So let's rerun this. Let's see here. I'm pressing space, and you can see that we have our animation going, right? But again, there's an issue that this animation starts and stops. So it starts slowly, speeds up, and then slows down. We need to make this animation linear, so it's kind of seamless loop. So, and we're going to use a helper function that I've created for us to use. So it's this right here. It loops over all the keyframe data and the points and makes the interpolation linear. So let's set that right here. Just paste it in right after we set the keyframes. So let's rerun the script. Let's go and actually let's hit 0 on the numpad, and let's watch this animation from the top, from the point of view of the camera. All right, you can see that this animation is starting to look as the final result that we're targeting. All right. Now let's just clean up this part right here and create a separate function just for that. So I'm going to pass in an object just to make it an object parameter, and it could be anything, so we can reuse this function in other situations, so we don't have to name it like pass in the primary curve. We can use just a generic object name that will be like a curve object. And also we'll need to pass in the frame count, and we're going to use that instead of this 360 right here, because we want to be able to control if we change the number of seconds in our loop. This code will automatically update, and we won't have to go in and fix up these keyframe insertions. Let's paste it right after this call right here. And for the frame count, we're going to use the context dictionary that has a frame count set. And this context gets passed in right here. So create centerpiece. This is the context. The context is created in the setup scene. And if we just scroll up and see how that code looks. And so the setup scene, and at the very bottom, we return the context. So here's the frame count. So it's a dictionary with frame count, and we calculate the frame count right here. We take the FPS we're targeting, and then get the loop seconds, and then we multiply the FPS by the loop seconds and get the frame count. So that's how we get this particular frame count right here. Okay, now we can run our script, and oops. Oh yeah, so we need to pass the primary curve into this, so let's rerun that. All right, looks like this is working, and all right, here it is. All right, and as promised, let's take a look at some of the ways that you can modify this code and get different results. So the very first thing that I would just recommend you try out is to modify the base curve and the profile curve functions, and try to use some different curves or parameters here and see what results you can get, right? You could play around with the scale, maybe use different types of curves, right? So there's I think a number of ways you can modify this and get an interesting look. Also, the default render setting for this particular tutorial is set to Eevee. So you can see here Eevee is set, but you can change that if provided an option right here. You could use cycles as well. I kind of feel that it gives a slightly better look, as you saw in the intro to this video. So you could try and set this to true, and it will set settings for rendering this in cycles. Another thing that you might want to know is if you like a particular color combination that you get after generating, right? Each time we run the script, we get a new color combination. Well, for example, let's run the script, and let's say I like this particular color scheme. And the thing is, in the setup scene right here, we have this special code that generates random seed each time we run the script. And actually, this time seed right here gets called, and it generates the seed based on the current time, like whenever you're running this script. And the cool thing about this function, you can check it out at the top of this script, that it copies the seed into the into your clipboard. So you could actually, right after running the script, you could just paste in that seed that was used, and now each time you run, when you run the script, you're gonna get the same color every single time. So if you're modifying and iterating maybe on the design of this curve, you could just pin that color scheme and maybe other things that rely on the random generator, right? The random module. It will pin all those values, and you'll get the same results every time. So that's something to note. Also, you might want to check out the camera setup and maybe use a different location for the camera, a different angle, maybe use some depth of field. So this gets set right here. And right here, you could see the different colors that are used. In particular, each time we run it, each time we run the script, we choose a different color, right? I would recommend you update this with a palette that you would like. To get a color in this particular format, you can go into, for example, the shading workspace, and then let's, for example, modify this color right here. Go back into the scripting workspace, and you could see this modification gets added into the info panel. Just copy that, and the color is going to be right at the end of, so this is going to be the color that you would use in place right here. I'm actually almost ready to post a tutorial about getting different palette colors from the internet instead of doing this like really slow copy and paste method. So watch out for that. So make sure to subscribe. All right, so that's that. And in the description, I also will post a version of this script that sets the HDRI, so you can use an HDRI to light the scene instead of using area light. So look for that as well. All right, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.